Imagine waking up in a universe where nothing feels familiar. The stars burn too bright, time itself bends differently. And a simple beam of light, once the fastest thing in existence, no longer obeys the rules of nature. Every heartbeat, every breath, every moment of life depends on one sacred number. 299,790,2,458 meters per second. That's the speed of light. The ultimate cosmic limit, the heartbeat of reality itself. But what if that number changed? Would time collapse? Would the sun die? Would life as we know it even exist? Today, we're going to break the laws of physics and step into a universe where light moves at a different speed, and nothing will ever be the same. 1. The speed of light, what it really means. The speed of light, c equals 299,790,2,458 ms, is not just how fast light moves, it's a fundamental constant of nature. It links space, time, energy, and mass through famous equations like E equals mc2. So if c changes, it's not just light that's affected, the structure of reality itself changes. 2. What if the speed of light were faster? Let's imagine c increases, say. Light moves twice as fast. Space and time. Time and space are linked by light speed. A faster light speed means less time dilation. Moving fast wouldn't slow time as much. The limit of causality expands. Signals and information could travel faster, so the universe would feel smaller. Energy and mass. From Einstein's equation, E equals mc2. If c increases, mass becomes much more energetic. A small amount of matter could release even more energy. Nuclear reactions, like in stars or bombs, would become vastly more powerful. Universe expansion in stars. Photons would have less energy for the same wavelength, changing the balance of radiation and matter in the early universe. Stars might burn faster and hotter, possibly destabilizing them. Galaxies could form differently because gravity and radiation pressure would interact in new ways. 3. What if the speed of light were slower? Now imagine c becomes smaller. Time slows down more. Time dilation becomes stronger. Traveling near light speed would make time stretch even more dramatically. The boundary between the past, present, and future becomes more bent. Relativity would be even more extreme. Energy drops. E equals mc2. Right arrow. If c is smaller, the same mass gives off less energy. Stars might not shine as brightly. Fusion could fail to ignite in some cases. The sun might not exist as we know it. Chemistry changes. The fine structure constant, alpha, which governs how electrons orbit nuclei, depends on c. A smaller c changes atomic energy levels. Atoms might not even form properly. Chemistry, and therefore life, might be impossible. 4. The universe's birth would be totally different. In the early universe, light speed determined how quickly matter and radiation separated. The growth of the first atoms, recombination. The pattern of the cosmic microwave background, CMB. If c were different, the Big Bang timeline shifts. The CMB pattern, the oldest light in the universe, would look completely different. Galaxies and stars might never form. 5. Could a universe still exist? Yes, but it would be utterly alien. If constants like gravity, g, charge, e, and Planck's constant, h, adjusted to match the new light speed, a stable universe could still exist, just with different physical scales. Example: in a slower light universe, electromagnetic forces dominate. In a faster light universe, gravity could dominate more easily. So, life might still exist, but it would be unrecognizable. 6. Philosophical twist. Some cosmologists, like Joe Megiddo, even proposed VSL theories, variable speed of light, to explain the early universe's mysteries, like why it looks uniform everywhere, the horizon problem, why inflation might not be needed. In those models, Light once moved much faster than today and slowed down as the universe expanded. Final thought. The speed of light isn't just a speed. It's the cosmic speed limit, the bridge between matter, energy, and the fabric of spacetime. If it changed even slightly, everything from atoms to galaxies to time itself would transform. The universe, as we know it, exists only because light moves exactly as fast as it does. If the speed of light ever changed, even by a fraction, the universe would rewrite itself. Galaxies might vanish, stars could die, and time itself could lose its meaning. But maybe that's the beauty of our cosmos, that everything, from the glow of a star to the spark of a thought, depends on one perfect balance, one rhythm written into the fabric of existence. The speed of light isn't just a number, it's the universe's promise of consistency, of order, of meaning. So next time you look up at the stars, remember, every photon that reaches your eyes has traveled billions of years at the exact same speed, never slower, never faster. Because if it ever changed, reality itself would shatter.